Welcome back to the demo. Now that you've installed and connected Forms Made Easy, it's time to create, design, and publish a form. Let's jump right in. So, after installing the package, go to the App Launcher and search for Forms Made Easy. Next up, open the Setup page to get started. Now, you have to click on the Connect button, go to the Quick Action menu, and click Create New Form. You'll be redirected to the My Forms tab. Enter your form name, select the primary object, and click Create Form. You're now on the Form Builder screen. Your selected object will appear here, and one required field is already added. In the Form Elements section, you'll see all the fields from the selected object. Add fields like first name, last name, email, etc. Below the Salesforce Object section, the General Fields section shows non-Salesforce fields. You can drag them in, name the section however you like, and add multiple options. Click Add Brand Logo on the canvas. A panel will open on the right, upload your logo, and click Apply. You can customize your form as you like. Choose your layout, add a background image, select your form style, and tweak all colors using the color picker. Once done, click Save and preview the form. Click Publish to make your form available. A public URL is generated to share it around. Copy it to share, or click Visit Site to see your live form instantly. And there you have it. Your form is now created, styled, published.